What happened? May I come? 1 minute, I'll just go to Sweta madam and I'll connect this.
Okay, good morning, 8th class friends. Welcome to our Viii class. So, in the previous classes, we have discussed about crop management, and now the topic is crop protection. Already, we have completed some of the topic which was included in crop protection, but let us recall. So, how we can protect the crops? The first major issue which
Smart
crops are the weeds. Weeds are the unwanted crops.
ఇది కాదు, ఇది ఎట్లా కనెక్ట్ చేయడానికి స్మార్ట్ ప్రొజెక్టర్ అది ఏంటిది ఇందులో ఉండదు కదా, ఆ ఫోన్ లో ఆన్ చేయమంటే ఆన్ చేస్తాను. మరి అది కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా, దీంట్లో ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేశారు మీరు? మరి దాంట్లో ఆల్రెడీ డౌన్లోడ్ అయ్యి ఉంటది కాబట్టి కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ బ్లూటూత్ అవన్నీ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి. ఫోన్ చేస్తుంటే వచ్చేదాన్ని కదా, ఆ ఫోన్ ఇవ్వండి, పైన ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాను. నాకు నెట్ ఫోన్ తోనే వస్తుంది, లేకపోతే ఫోన్ ఇవ్వడానికి నాకేం ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి.
Okay, so what is the weeds? Weeds are the unwanted crops which help the disturbance of the main crops to grow. So how it disturbs? It takes away the.
Okay, no problem. నాకు ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లం obviously క్లాస్ కన్నా ముందు ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కనుక తెప్పిస్తాను. డెఫినెట్లీ నో ప్రాబ్లం. ట్రై చేయండి ఒకసారి, లేకపోతే లెటర్స్ గో విత్ అదర్ ఆప్షన్. ఇంకేమైనా చూడాలంటే నేను అనేది కాదు, వస్తుంది నా ఫోన్ లో. మీరు ఇవన్నీ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా, నెట్. మీకు నెట్ కావాలంటే యూస్ చేసుకోండి అని చెప్తున్నాను నా ఫోన్ నుంచి. ఇది కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఇది కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది మనకు తెలుసు.
Okay, thank you. So here, weeds. Weeds are the unwanted crops which disturb the growth of the main plants. How they disturb? They take away the space. They take away the nutrition. Okay, they take away the light. Right? Sunlight is the only source which helps them to prepare the food materials. No, that food materials only we are harvesting at the end of the session. Okay, so weeds. So these weeds, examples for the weeds are Xanthine. We have already discussed about this. Xanthinium, Parthenium, Amaranthus. So these three crops are considered as the weeds. Weeds nothing but they are the unusual crops. They grow everywhere. They grow everywhere. So for each intervals of the growth, we have to pluck with the help of what our hands. Okay, so that is known as what? A physical method of removing weeds. Okay, removing weeds. So the removing of weeds is known as removal of weeds from the cultivated crop. It is known as Viii. So as we move in our colonies or as we move in the villages or roadsides, we see different types of unusual crops. Do we pluck them? No. Do we remove them? No. So wherever we find the weeds in the cultivated crop, okay, there we remove because it helps for the growth of the crops that we are growing with. Okay. So what is that weed in which what? Wherever you find weeds, we won't remove, no? Only in the fields there which we grow cultivation. Then only we will remove. Removing of weeds from the cultivated crop, it is known as what? Weeding. So removal of weeds from the cultivated crop, it is known as what? Weeding. Removal of weeds from the cultivated crop, it is known as what? Weeding. So weeding we can do in three methods. One is mechanical method, and another one is chemical method. And third one is biological method. So in the mechanical method, we use our hands to pluck one by one weed. Okay, one by one weed. So with the hands we can pluck. Okay, pluck. So what we are doing? Pluck one by one. So how with the help of hand? Or they use hoe, or they use the rake. With the help of hand only, like this. With the help of hand only, they use hoe or rake and they dig and they remove. Okay, this is the mechanical method. So in large fields, they do what? Plumping and hollowing. Because if it is more than 10 acres, okay, plucking its hand takes more time, no? So use what? Plucking, hollowing, flooding, burning, etc. But this mechanical method, it is very time taking, takes more time and also more labor. Okay, what is mechanical method of removing the weeds? They pluck one by one with the help of hand or hoe or a rake. But But in large fields, they use the methods of first planting, planting, burning, etc. But this method of removing the weeds, it takes more time and more labor. It takes more time and more labor. Next one, using of chemical methods. We use here next topic is removing the weeds with the help of chemicals. We use herbicides or weedicides. Herbicides or weedicides. Which only kill the weeds, not the cultivated crop, main crop. Some of the weedicides we use are dalapan, metachlor, cyniazine, 2,4-DT, 2,4-DT. MC So we use chemicals to remove the weeds or destroy the weeds. So we use herbicides or weedicides to kill the weeds. Dalapan, metachlor, cyniazine, 2,4-DT, MCT8, bacaclor. So we are spraying weedicides. No, they are chemical in nature. So farmers should take more precautions while spraying. They have to cover their face along with their eyes, their nose and also with mouth. And after spraying, they have to take baths. And generally, if we are getting grains from these fields, no, so before used for cooking, we have to wash. So generally, our mother always wash everything that was brought from outside, no. So we should practice the habit of washing because they are stored with what weedicides. Okay, so fertilizers and also chemicals. And next, a story is there. Okay, which story in the Vietnam War? Okay, in the Vietnam war, the US has sprayed a herbicide. Okay, they have sprayed a herbicide which caused the many to suffer with many diseases. If they are not good, the chemicals that we use as fertilizers or herbicides or anything that we spray in the agriculture fields, they are not good for our health. So many have lost their lives, and it has affected mainly the pregnant ladies, and they have born with several diseases. So the chemical methods are not safe to use. And in villages, you will observe the practice of plucking the hands. Many laborers you see, they are going to pluck the weeds every day. Okay, because that is very good. Okay, that is very good. We are giving what the money. Okay, we are providing the income for them, and as well as we are take precautions of good health by practicing which method? Mechanical method. Please note down the second thing, chemical methods. Next one is biological method of removing the weeds. So we grow special insects which kills the weeds, which stops the growth of the weeds. So we grow special insects. That is very less practiced in our India. So in our other countries we see that is also limited for certain crops. So once again I am repeating. So we generally see certain type of unusual crops that grow in the crop fields. So removal of the weeds from the cultivated crops, it is known as weeding. Weeds, some of the weeds examples are Xanthium, Parthenium, Amaranthus, and we can remove the weeds with by three methods. One is mechanical method, chemical method, and biological method. Mechanical method means plucking the weed one by one with the help of hand or fork or a rake. And if we have more than acres of land, we use plucking, hollowing, planting, burning, etc. But these mechanical method it consumes more time and more labor, and it can be said as expensive also, but it is very good. It is very good method when compared to the chemical methods and biological methods. Chemical methods means we generally use chemicals. Okay, we generally use chemicals that can kill the weeds, but it does not affect the cultivated crop. But it settles on the surface of the crops. So we use herbicides and weedicides which kills the weeds. Some of the herbicides and weedicides we use are dalapan, metaclone, cinazine, 2,4-DT, MCPA and butazone. Okay, these when they are sprayed, they settle on the surface or on the soil. Okay, so by using this, the farmer should take utmost protection to their body. And after spraying the weeds, they have to go and take a good hot water bath. And next one is what? Biological method. And in Vietnam, US has used the herbicides which has damaged the lives of many people, and they have suffered with many diseases, especially the pregnant ladies. And here, biological method, we grow some of the insects that can kill the weeds and they inhibit the growth of the weeds. These are the three methods that we use for the weeding purposes. That is the first topic is weeding in the crop protection method. Next topic is protection from pests. Protection from pests. So in the crop fields, we see different types of animals. They are roaming here and there for eating. Okay. For example, cows. We call them as stray animals. Stray animals. Stray animals like cows, buffaloes, goat, sheep. So they move here and there, no, that's stray animals. So they directly enter into the fields and they go on eating. So what we have to do to protect our field from these stray animals? We have to do fencing. Fencing around the field. And birds, especially birds, they will come and eat the flowers, everything. So for that, what we have to make a sound. Make the sounds by beating the drums. Nowadays, automatic beaters are coming. Mics are, they have been placing the mics in order to get away from the birds. And we see rats, termites. Okay, rats, termites, they are, what is that? They are scratching on the bark of the trees. When they have grown the fields, if they have grown like this, no, the rats will come, rodents will come and they do like this and they eat. It leads to damage of the crop. Okay, rats, termites, rodents, they scratch the stem, the break, they do something. Okay, for these we are using what? Rodenticides. Rodenticides, which kills the rats, which are chemical pesticides. So for these things we use what? Pesticides, which kill the pests. do means the flower will form into grains. Okay, the flower will form into grains. Before the formation of solid grains, they will be juicy in nature. Okay, for example, corn, rice, if you observe, no, they will be juicy in nature. These insects, like you can see green mosquitoes. You can see green mosquitoes. Some of the insects, what they do, they take the juice from the grains. So what we won't get, okay, any grains. So at that time, what we have to do, we have to spray insecticides to kill that insect. Okay, insecticides to kill that insect. This is about what? Protection from the pests. Protection from the pests. Next topic, protection from diseases. Next topic is protection from diseases. So rust, smut, these are caused by fungi. Okay, rust and smut diseases of paddy. These are caused by paddy. And blight disease of potato. Blight of potato. This is also caused by fungi. This is paddy. And winter disease. Winter disease is caused by bacteria. So at the time what we have used fungicides and the bactericides to kill the germs. To kill the germs. So what we do generally by spraying these fungicides and bactericides, we mix this in the water. We mix this in the water, and this water is given in the roots. So these roots, from the roots only, it will be taken up by the plants. And that plant they use water and they prepare food materials, which is stored in vegetables and fruits. And if we eat these vegetables and fruits, we get disease, right? We get diseases because they are sprayed through the water. They are mixing these fungicides and pesticides in the water and spraying. So from the roots along with the water, it will grow. This will go because in order to stop the what disease. Okay. So like our medicine, no, we are suffering with any disease. So they will give injection. So they will be passing from our hand, no. So in our body until our disease dies, that the medicine is present. But same like that also in the plants, the fungicides is taken up by the plant body and it is stored in the vegetables and fruits. So there is a chance of getting some disease if we consume the food materials. Okay, next. This is about the protection from disease. How we can protect the diseases. So before we are using this fungicides and bactericides, we should use before only. What is that? The seeds which are disease free. We have to use which type of diseases? Which type of seeds? Disease free seeds. So if we use disease free diseases, we can't. There is no chance of using fungicides and bacteria. So these are the crop protection. These are what? Crop protection. Crop protection methods. So weeding and usage of pesticides and all those, and protection from diseases. So these are the crop protection methods that we use during the growth of the plants. And after the plant has been matured, means it has been reached its height, what we do? We do harvesting. We do harvesting. Harvesting means what? When the plant is grown up to much height and it has been matured and fruits have been produced or leaves have been produced, then we are taking the food. That is known as what? Harvesting. So we follow different types of methods. So one is forage. forage harvesting. Forage harvesting. And as well as combines. What is that? Combines. We use tractors. We use tractors. Okay. And machines. We use what? Tractors, machines to separate grains. To separate the grains. To separate the grains. This is what? Harvesting. Harvesting means when the crop is grown maximum height and it has been matured, and it has been cleaned, we are going to harvest. Means take off the products. That is known as what? Harvesting.